In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll be confidently signed in and ready to explore. Let's keep it simple and clear, step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Perplexity AI website by typing Perplexity AI into the address bar. Press Enter and wait for the homepage to load. It's always a good idea to double-check the spelling and make sure you're on the correct site before proceeding. Once the page is open, look for the Sign In button. On most screens, you'll find it at the top right corner. If you're on a phone or tablet, you might need to tap the menu icon to reveal it. Go ahead and click or tap Sign In to bring up the login options. Next, choose how you want to log in. You'll usually see choices like Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, and Continue with Email. Pick the option that matches the account you prefer to use. If you select Google or Apple, a secure window may pop up asking you to confirm your account. Follow the prompts, and if your browser asks for permission to open a new window, allow it so the sign-in can complete smoothly. If you choose to continue with email, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Type it carefully, then submit. Now, open your email inbox in a new tab or on your phone. Look for a message from Perplexity. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check your spam or promotions folder just in case. In that message, you'll typically find a secure sign-in link. Click the link to verify your email and complete the login. If the email includes a one-time code instead of a link, follow the instructions in the message to finish signing in. After you've verified your login, you'll be signed in automatically. You should be redirected back to Perplexity AI, where your account is now active. If the page doesn't refresh on its own, try reloading it or navigating back to Perplexity AI. You'll know you're in when you see your account options and can start using the platform without any prompts to sign in. That's all there is to it. Open the website, click Sign In, choose your preferred method, verify through your chosen provider or email, and you're in. Keep your browser updated and make sure pop-ups are allowed for trusted sign-in windows to prevent interruptions. Enjoy your session, and you're all set to start exploring Perplexity AI.